Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to use loop construct in Python programming language. So in Python we are having mainly two loop. First one is while loop, second one is for loop. So first of all we will see how to use while loop. So while loop syntax is similar to most of the programming language. After while we need to specify condition. So let's take one variable here I equal to 0, and here we will run this loop until this value is less than 10, and after specifying condition you need to write colon, and whatever body you want to write for this while loop, provide a tab before that statement. So this will be a ident for this statement. So you need to provide ident for every statement you are going to write for this while loop. So let's say what I'm going to do, I'm going to print value of this I, then I will increase value of I. So you can write this statement. So here this is a simple while loop, then this part is the condition part, colon, this is the in syntax of Python, and then whatever body we want to write two statement in body, so we need to provide a ident, so we are providing here tab. So let's see the execution. Open your command prompt, go to the target directory. So this one is stored in desktop. I'm already in desktop, and I will execute it. So if you can see, it's printing 1 to 9. Sometimes you want to print on the same line. So in Python you can print on same line. Whatever you are printing here, just give a comma after that value. So if you can see, now it's printing on the same line. So this loop is actually starting from 0 and it's going till 9. So this is the first loop construct that can be used in Python programming language. Second one is the for loop. And what is the syntax for for loop? You need to write for, then here you need to write any temporary variable, then here you need to write in, and here you have to give a let's say list or dictionary, or list, tuple, string, any value. So what we are going to do, first we will create a list uh, over which we will iterate, and we will use range function. This function will generate a list from 1 to 10. Okay, so range function is actually used to generate a list from this element till element before a specified one. So it will be 1 to 10, and here we will write for, let's take any variable, let's say t. So this will be the variable which will be having value from this list. Okay, and then in a. So meaning of this statement is that we are going to iterate over this list one by one, and the current value will be stored in t, and the body of this loop will be specified after providing a ident. So here let's say I am printing print t. Let's see what it's print. So if you can see, this is printing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this t, when this loop will run, initially it will be having the first element of this list, then it will be having second, then it will be having third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, so on. Now let's take one simple example. Let's say we want to print a triangle. So we will write a loop for I in, and here we are giving a range 1 to, let's say, 6. So this loop will run 1 to 5, and inside this one we will take another loop j in range 1 to 5. So here what we will do, we will in order to print a triangle, what we need to do, we need to run the outer loop from 1 to 5, and this loop we need to run from 1 to the value of I. So here you can specify value of I. Okay, now here we will print star, and we want to print the next star after this one, so just specify comma. If you want to print anything on the same line, you need to give this comma after that output. And here the body of this for loop is over. Now we are going to write something in this loop body. So here we will write one new line statement. So this print actually print on a new line, it will give a new line. So now if you will run this program, so if you can see it's printing 1 2 3 4. So one thing you can do is this one, uh, oh sorry, instead of -1 +1. So it's printing properly. So this is the simple example of loop in Python programming language. Hope you like it. In next tutorial we will learn how to use break continue in Python. Thank you very much for watching.